Okay. Hi, Noah. This is Lindsay and Daryl showing off the Avion with baby Rooney. Baby. So, this is it. Walking around. You got your fridge over here. It's a little fridge. Microwave, stove, the sink, twin bedroom over here. Showing this way. You've got a couple little closets. Nice little closet. Closet right there. You've got all these storage cabinets on the top.
And under the bed.
And then you got some drawers down here. On both sides. This is the bathroom. It's got a nice big closet in the bathroom. Big closet. Water heater's down there with new water heater, 6 gallon, with your breaker box right here. Is that what it's called?
Yeah. Inverter breaker box.
Your sink. Nice little bowl sink. Shower. Sorry, the shower's full of stuff. But it's got your hose support in there. This shower head hangs up right there. Like that. And, let's see. This light is broken, and this light is broken. So you've got this little clip light in the bathroom. They actually might work. I don't know if we've ever put light bulbs in them. And then you've got these lights up here. The LED bulbs at Camping World are the brightest. And where's Rooney?
He's in the bedroom.
Here is the queen bed in the front.
With a partition wall for.
It's got a little room divider wall.
You can have some space where there's no space. And storage under.
And then there's this storage underneath. We used it as a little fort for our 5-year-old. Had a light down here and toys and stuff in there. But there's a lot of storage space right here. This dresser won't be there. That's getting removed. Anything else?
That's about it.
There's a space
for a stove with a range.
For a big stove down here. There's
an actual oven.
There's some junk in there, but no. But you could put the original gas camp stove back in there. Your sink. Kitchen cabinets. Got room for cleaning supplies and pots and pans. 4 drawers full of junk. All the junk will be removed. And top cabinets up here.
About it.
Anything else?
Outside?
Okay.
I don't know if you can send that whole video. I might have to make another one.
See the next video for the outside of the trailer.